In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a curve in Blender. If you don't see curve point in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's draw a curve. Shift-select two curve points and type F to connect them like this. Curve pen will allow us to click anywhere on the screen to extend the curve by adding a new curve point like this. We can smooth the curve points by typing A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha. Extrude can be done by clicking and dragging away from the circle. Radius works like the Alt+S shortcut, and it will increase or decrease the radius of a beveled curve object. Tilt works like this. Shear needs more than two curve points selected. Randomize will randomize the location of the curve points. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.